Today I'd like to talk to you about a 3-period lesson. In a Montessori classroom, we use 3-period lessons to teach the language of all different types of objects and activities. Children are very successful in learning the nomenclature of different materials because they have the experience of not only being taught the name and being practiced with being shown, but then they also are able to find those names and name them themselves. Children are doing these things throughout their experience, and one material that we generally will start with a 3-period lesson with is called the sandpaper letters. When doing sandpaper letters, we'll typically start with 3 different letter sounds. During the first period, we'll name each of the letter sounds to the child. This is k. This is This is I. During the second period, we'll then ask the child to find the object, or find the letter. Can you find me the k? And they'll find the k. How about the I? And they'll touch the letter that makes the I sound. Can you take the and put it on your head? And they'll take the and they'll put it on their head. During the third period, we'll then talk to a child and ask them to name each letter. What does this say? And they'll respond, k. How about this? And this? I. Oftentimes we'll bring small objects into the activity to really entice and draw the child in. We'll have a box of different objects that represent each of the sounds, and we'll give them to the child individually. This is an insect. Can you find the letter that makes the sound that insect starts with? I. I. Insect. This is a rose. 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 A clown. Clown. Oftentimes children will be in the second period where they're being given objects or given the sound and identifying the sound. The wonderful thing about a Montessori classroom is that children are given those opportunities to really work with materials repeatedly until they've mastered each of the sections.